What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, you guys, we are right here where we left off, and we were just getting into these brand new nails from B Color. These are the Magic Fortune nails, and this is what they look like. I don't know if they all look like this. I'm guessing they do, but I don't know, kind of cute idea. We also have them in the black and white and gold. And then we have these ones with the hearts on them, and they're more of like a natural nail color. What are these? Fingers. The nail strips are back from Fingers. I wonder if we can find the actual display. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, look you guys. They're back. These are not out all the time. I rarely find those. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, new color gel. That looks really pretty. Let's see what else we have in this. New color, the crackle, the Kiss gel, clear, more new color, more Kiss. A couple of you were asking me to show the Kiss polish. We have blue, green, red, and gray, and then we have some new color polishes here. These are all gel polishes. This is like a brown, fuchsia, light gray, greenish blue, blue, and orange. Let's see if we can find some other new items here. I'm pretty sure these facial wipes are new. Fragrance free. The brand is Skip the Spa facial wipes. Fragrance free makeup removing cleansing wipes. And then we also have fragrance free, again, different packaging, maybe a different scent, I'm not sure. All right, let's try to find some new things. Reese's lip gloss. Looks like it's out of place though. The loose foundation. This is a loose powder. Whoa, look at these, you guys. These eyelashes. The gel lip balm from Wet n Wild. All of the NYX products. I've showed those a million times in this store, so I don't want to bore you guys showing the same things. But this is one location that has the NYX product line. They pretty much have the same things over and over. They just, I guess they're just not really big sellers. Okay, let's see what we have over here. What's this? Party bulb. Another out of place item. Ooh, what's this? Crystal Waters body butter. This is rose scented. We also have sage and cedar scented, brand new. We also see this brand sometimes here in Dollar Tree when we're looking at bath bombs. Another rose scented. So just 2 cents. I was hoping there'd be 3, but nope, it's just 2 cents. The Old Spice Body and Face Daily Cleanser is back. I believe these go for almost $8 each in Walmart or online. Oh, the Brookstone tweezer sets. Also, we have the clipper sets. I might get a couple of these. Let's see. Supposedly there are many other tool sets for grooming, but I've only ever seen the clippers and the tweezers. All the deodorants. Shave gels. Let's see if we missed anything good over here. Okay, looks like the white strips are back. You get 6 in a box, 3 for top, 3 for the bottom.
They look trash. Down here, guys.
Okay. Oh, these are cute. I think that's new. The little fishy. We have a football and a cute little frog. I always bought those for my kids when they were little. Oh, and look, we have one more. We have a cute little bear. The huge bottles of 100 acetaminophen are here. This is the extra strength dupe to Tylenol. 100 in a bottle. That's a really good price. Okay, I think that's it for this aisle. All the Ioni individual lash extensions. And look, you guys, Ioni even has a dramatic black mascara that's totally new. All they have is black. I'm not seeing any other colors. This aisle is usually really good in this location. Ooh, what's this? These are all dry shampoos. Tropical scent, floral scent, and classic scent. I'm really hoping to find some new items in here today. The Equation is still here. The Equation 3-in-1 bubble bath shampoo and body wash for kids and eucalyptus splash is still here, and you get 16 ounces. We can find that in stores like Walmart. These Equation products can be found in Walmart and in Big Lots. This is a fragrance-free product, 15.6 ounces. And then we also have the bubble bath. This is 34 ounces. It's still here, you guys, so if you didn't get a chance to get it a few weeks ago, it might be hitting your stores, or if you've been passing it up, I definitely think it would be worth trying. It's not like a super high-end brand, but it does go for, you know, $4, $5, $6 everywhere else. And all of these products are still here too. The Earth Supplied hair masks, the coconut curl cream, the strength and length, the Jello creamy defining moisture and repair. Yes, you guys, these are grocery store brands, but they go for like $5 and up in your local grocery stores. I think like Kroger's and stuff like that. What's this? I think this is a new one, Zest, and the scent is called Indulgence. Smells nice. Yeah, it smells pretty. Moisturizing, lush orchid and almond oil. This is a 28% more bonus size, 2 bars. Total net weight 8.24 ounces for the 2 bars. Well, you guys, I'm going to start another video. I see that we have some new items. I really want to show a lot of the hair items over here, and I also want to continue down the aisle with other new items that might be available. So definitely join me in my very next video. If you guys are brand new to the channel, all you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.